I'm Nikki and welcome to my adventures in my van. So I've finally taken the plunge and I bought myself a van, and tonight is my very first night in my van. I've parked up by a lake and it's going to be quite an adventure seeing what it's like. The dog has already settled in, so it's time for me to do the same thing. First priority, a well-deserved glass of wine to celebrate being brave enough to venture a whole 10 kilometres from home. My camper van's called Pam. She's a 2006 Renault Traffic. I like her because she's compact, she's got a pop-up roof for more space, a proper water tank, a fridge, gas cooker and a sink. I'm parked out in the middle of nowhere next to a lake, and it's late spring, although the weather is nice. I've decided to keep the sliding door closed as there are mosquitoes everywhere. I've decided to take the easy route with dinner. I bought the pasta salad with me that I prepared at home. After a delicious meal, another glass of wine and a little celebratory jig, it was time to wash up. Then it was time to make a nice cup of tea, and even though my van is small, I do really appreciate the pop-up roof. It means I can easily stand up when I'm cooking, or making tea, or washing up. I had a bit of a relax with a flick through a magazine. And then before it got completely dark, it was time to make the bed for the first time. It took me a couple of minutes to remember how to actually fold the bed out. And in hindsight, I probably could have put the duvet cover and pillowcases on at home, but oh well. Good morning. Woo! Okay, it is about just after 7. I've just spent my first night in my van. It's a bit nippy, a bit cold now. I mean, it was fine when I went to bed, and I woke up cold probably about 4 a.m. or something. Threw on a couple more blankets and my t-shirt. And now this morning when I woke up, I put on the heater and that worked well, and I was fiddling around with it because it didn't seem to turn off, and then it turned on, and anyway, it's off now, and that just kind of took the edge off the chill, if you know what I mean. But I can feel it's a little bit nippy. But I turned the gas off last night because I didn't want to sleep with the gas on. So now I need to get out the car, put the gas on, get back in the car, and make a cup of tea. That's the plan. Made myself a nice cup of tea, and then I just chillaxed in the van, looking at nature, enjoying the views. Then it was time for the first pooch mooch of the day, so we headed out for a walk in the lovely peaceful surroundings. While I was strolling in the beautiful countryside, I realised I've wasted far too long
procrastinating about my first overnight stay. That worry really doesn't help anything. And it wasn't only bearable, but it was actually adventurous and fun. I managed to face my fears and intrepidation, and this turned out to be the first of many nights in Pam. Have you done any solo overnight trips? And what would you like to see more of? Let me know in the comments because I'm actually really interested to hear your feedback. And of course, don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you on the next adventure.